What's going on, guys? Chris back with you with another unboxing and review video. This one's gonna be a little smaller, but it packs a punch. This is gonna be the ThruNite T2 rechargeable lithium ion battery super bright flashlight. It does have a clip on it. You can clip it to your hat, you can clip it on something else, clip it on your belt. Has a lot of sweet features. And just like all my unboxing and review videos, guys, in the description box below, right below the video, you're gonna find the link for this exact same flashlight. You guys in the UK, if they sell it in the UK, I will have you linked below as well. Look for your links. If they do not sell in the UK, I will have one very similar to it linked below. Let's get it out of the box and let's see what we got. All right, let's go ahead and pull this sucker on up and see what we got. Right here on the top, it says, please screw down the light, head, and tail cap tightly before you use. And let's bring this bad boy out, okay? Underneath a little foam insertion there, we're gonna have our instructions. We're gonna have a wrist accessory for putting that around your wrist. We're gonna have a case and charging cable in here as well. Let's put the flashlight aside for just a second and take a look here. You do have some small pieces also inside the bag, so be careful of that when you do take it out. We have a couple extra covers and an extra O-ring there as well. And we have our adjustable wrist strap here. Again, that is adjustable. Put that bad boy on. Go ahead and tighten that guy on down, just like that. And then of course, the flashlight would clip in right here. Quick release, and that would tie onto the flashlight for your wrist strap. Then we have a Type-C, very nice, Type-C. Companies are going over to Type-C, which I really appreciate because my Samsung S8 Plus is a Type-C. And we got USB to USB Type-C recharging cable for the lithium ion battery. We have our holder here that goes right around your belt loop there. You do have a clip here as well. Little ThruNite logo right on the side. Velcro up, and then the flashlight goes in right there, right on your belt loop. Let's take a look at some specifications. The LED is an XHP70. Working voltage is 2.7 volts to 8.4 volts. There is the material there with the surface finish, dimensions, and weight there. You can pause that. We'll go ahead and look at this here, so you can pause that output in turbo mode, and then you just run the distances, intensities, high, medium, low, Firefly, and Strobe, and it is a IPX8 2 meters waterproof. Indicator light 1 through 10% flashing red, 11 through 20% red, 21 through 100% blue. That's the power capacity, the indicator and voltage there. So when it is low, it's flashing red. When it's getting low, it's red. And when it's above 21%, the LED light will be blue. There is a lock and unlock there. Under the lockout mode, press and hold the side switch to unlock the flashlight. When the flashlight is off, press and hold the side switch to enter Firefly mode. Under Firefly mode, press and hold the side switch to access the lockout mode. A couple other directions there, your warranty, etc. And if you didn't see that, the impact distance is 1.5 meters and the intensity is 6300 CD max, and the distance is 158 meters max. And there again are your run times, the second line there, and your outputs. Again, you guys can pause that. Okay, all right, with that out of the way, let's take a look at the flashlight a little bit closer. ThruNite T2 right on front. Again, very high quality. This is not your plastic 99-cent store flashlight. This is heavy duty, high tech, well made. Your wrist strap goes right through there. Here's your clip here. That clip is removable. I won't do that right now, but obviously these little prongs, go ahead and pull out and slip that off. Rugged material all the way up and down it. Our LED indicator light for our battery right there, like I said, flashing red, red, and blue. And our nice LED right there. Take a look at that. Here's our charging port. So again, you have two extra charging ports in your little bag, Type-C. That's where you would plug in the cord to charge it. Go ahead and mash that sucker down after you're done. And the back of it here. Well, we're obviously going to be testing it out in the nighttime, but let me go ahead and show you underneath here. So let's get the battery out and let's take a look at the battery. 5,000 milliamp, 2170, 3.6 volt, 18 WH. That's a beefy battery, folks. High discharge performance, Li-ion battery, rechargeable, super nice, super beefy. I like it. All right, again, negative goes on bottom. Let's go ahead and mash this guy down just like that. And so what that little thing said is you just got to screw the head all the way down. This one was already tightened. This one needs to be locked down. That's just for safety so the battery isn't juiced during shipment. Let's go ahead and turn it on now. All right, one press, we light up blue. And that is our mode there. Of course, we'll be showing this to you, obviously. You got to hold it down for it to go up. Hold it down again. There we go. Hold it down again. Hold it down again. Hold it down again. Very nice. And then I think we even long hold it 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000. And so if you keep holding it down, it'll just kind of go ahead and run through the different mode settings. So it's a triple click to strobe, 1, 2, 3. All right, and off. Or down there like that. Okay, there we go, off. Okay, so we're gonna do strobe again, 1, 2, 3, strobe, and then 1 click off. Okay, so for Firefly mode, we go 1, 1,000, 2, 1, okay. And that would be Firefly mode, which would be like a really, really low setting. And the Firefly mode is the dimmest, and the instructions say it's 0.3 lumens, and it can run for 69 days. Awesome. And then click off for that. So once the light is on, then we're gonna go ahead and hold it down for your different modes again. There's the brightest one right there. Sorry if I blinded you because I'm kind of blinding myself. And then we cycle through again. So what we saw was turbo, high, medium, low. So there's 4 settings, Firefly, and then strobe. So 5 settings total. Turbo mode, you're gonna have very little run times compared to medium, low, 77 hours, 69 days, and strobe 5 hours. So it looks like for turbo mode, you're going 2 minutes in these lumens and then plus 216 minutes in this lumens. Same thing with high, 1712 for 3, and then it looks like it dips automatically to 223 for 732. But what is nice is that this bad boy clips in right there, right on my belt. As you can see there, that's not going anywhere. Or, of course, put it in the provided case. Just like this here, and put that on your belt buckle. You also, if you're working on your car, you can clip that to the bill of your hat, and so it almost acts like a headlamp there. Example in point, clipped in and shining while you're working on your car, or gardening, whatever you have to do. We're out here playing disc golf on turbo mode here, lighting up the fairway. Very nice. And I'll show you some tips and tricks with this bad boy, but it's lighting up the whole entire fairway here. That light obviously is coming into that area right there, but look at this, I'm just setting it up on my backpack. This is absolutely amazing being able to light the dark up there in turbo mode. Here I am on high mode, lighting up the basket. There's no way I'd be able to play in the dark without this flashlight. Again, just setting on top of my bag. Remember, it does have the clip if you are having a hat and you're working at night on your shrubbery. This would be a flashlight and a headlamp type of a thing with the clip, but very nice. Very impressive how small it is as well compared to other tactical flashlights that I have reviewed. Being able to just beautifully light up the basket. As let's go ahead and just put this in. So let's show you the different modes while we're out here kind of in the open here. I have it on the high mode right now, which is literally doing an excellent job. I'm seriously impressed. I can come here all by myself, nobody around, play in the dark and still have a good round because this light is so beautiful. Obviously the moon is right there as well, but let's go ahead and hold it down and we'll go into low mode, hold it down again. We go into high mode here and we hold it down again. And we go to low mode, we go to, okay, there's high mode, and then we go to beefy mode right here. Look at that, it's literally daytime out here right now. Look at the basket right there. Look at these trees, that tree, this tree over here. Okay, watch these trees, look at how dark those ones are. Now look at that in turbo mode. Absolutely fantastic. And then we go into strobe there, which is gonna really mess up the camera. And let's turn that off. And again, from the off position, 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, and then you turn that off, and then 1, 2, 3, and you go into strobe mode, and 1 off, and then let's go ahead and click through. I want to get to high mode, which I think we were on high mode. There we go. I'm going to stay on high mode for the round. I really like high mode. A great flashlight, guys. I'm seriously impressed with it. It's doing a great job. Well, folks, as we saw in the video, a solid flashlight. I was definitely pumped by it, was able to actually get through almost my entire full round of Frisbee disc golf. It ran out of juice about the 16th hole or so, but that is without charging it at all, straight out of the box. using it on turbo mode, lighting up the whole entire fairway, being able to throw. I was very impressed with it, especially for the size dimensions as well. I was able to find my discs after my throw very quickly, obviously because of the brightness. And what's nice is that now I know that I literally can play in the dark, skip the wait, skip the crowds, just hoist it up on my backpack, shining on the disc basket. Not to mention fishing, hiking, camping, you name it. Car mechanics, slip that clip right on top of your bill of your hat. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, in the description box below is gonna be the exact same link for this flashlight. You guys in the UK, check out your link below as well. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe on your way out. But just like all my videos, guys, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. But if you do have the cash and it intrigues you, go ahead and purchase away. That link is below once again. Take care. We'll see you in the next video. My name's Chris. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.